Today we are making cheesy stuffed taco shells. I made this for a family of 6, so for me, we used 2 pounds of hamburger meat, and then you just put that in a pan and cook that until you get it fully browned. You can easily cut this recipe in half for a smaller family. While that's browning, you'll get a pot of water and put that on to boil so you can boil your large jumbo shells. Drain that while your meat's browning, and after it's brown, you'll just take a paper towel and you'll absorb all of that extra fat that's in there. I actually learned that trick from someone on TikTok. All right, and then you'll need water. You'll just be making what the taco seasoning packets say. Mine required 3/4 cup of water per packet. I just used the McCormick ones. Put that in there and I just stirred it in with that water. And then you let it cook for a little bit until it thickens up. I used a whole can of salsa. I just threw it in there and mixed it in. I also love to put sour cream in there for a little extra creaminess. So just, until your heart says quit. And then I used just a half a pack of this cheese and I saved the other half for the top. Get a 9x13 pan and then go ahead and grease that down with whatever oil that you like. And then you'll just take that mixture and you'll start stuffing those shells. Get them fully stuffed and then cover them in cheese. And then I also use this. And I put that on there. I also had some cheddar as well that I threw on top. And then you just bake it and then you get it out and look at this cheesy goodness.